Hello, everyone. I am Dean Wu of the Coase Research Institute, and I met again following the last lecture. This lecture will share with you my experience on grafted maleic anhydride, a nylon toughening agent. Understand, many people may think the previously mentioned grafting rate should be controlled within the range of 30% to 1 is too large and not scientific enough. Here we have made a sorting out. I think there are generally two requirements for nylon toughening. First, pursue normal temperature toughening, and the cold resistance of nylon at low temperature is not high. Second, pursue low temperature toughening. First of all, in the first case, when you only pursue the room temperature toughening effect, it should actually have low grafting and high crosslinking, which is beneficial, because only in this case, it spreads out inside the nylon. Only then will it appear that a relatively large particle is formed, but the number is not relatively large, so that it can better absorb the impact energy during the normal temperature impact process and achieve a better toughening effect. This is also what customers often produce. At that time, it was found that use a part of ungrafted POE plus a part of grafted POE and use the two with each other. The obtained room temperature toughening data is very high, so room temperature toughening can no longer require a higher grafting rate. Generally around 30% is enough. The second point, if it is the case of pursuing low temperature and cold resistance, it needs high grafting and low crosslinking. What is the reason? It is because when the grafting rate is high and the degree of crosslinking is low, it can form smaller but more tiny elastomer particle is dispersed in the nylon, and it will shrink and deform when the temperature drops. At this time, as long as there are enough elastomers, it can absorb the impact energy better. Therefore, if you pursue low temperature toughening, you must not intermix some ungrafted POE, as in the first case, but you must pursue the toughness of nylon has a relatively high grafting rate. For us at Coase, our POE grafting usually sets the grafting rate at 0.6到 1.0, an optimal value. Based on different demands for low temperature toughening. I hope everyone agree with this point. Pay attention to Coase and reshape the new value of materials.